How can you decode BIOS error beeps to fix hardware? Imagine turning on your computer and hearing a series of beeps instead of the usual startup sound. Those beeps are actually messages from your BIOS trying to tell you something's wrong. BIOS error beeps are sounds your computer makes during the power on self-test or post to signal hardware issues. These signals happen before your operating system even loads, so they're a quick way to diagnose problems. Decoding what those beeps mean can help you figure out which hardware component is causing trouble. First, it's important to know that different BIOS manufacturers have their own beep code languages. For example, AMI, Award, Phoenix, Dell, and IBM all use different patterns. Some BIOS types use short beeps, others long beeps, and some have a sequence of beeps. The number and pattern of beeps tell you what part might be malfunctioning. So, your first step is to identify your BIOS type or your motherboard's manufacturer. Check your motherboard manual, or look online for your model's specific beep code list. Next, listen very carefully to the pattern. Count how many beeps occur, note if they are long or short, and see if they repeat in a certain order. For example, one long beep followed by two short beeps might mean your graphics card has a problem. Continuous beeps often point to power supply issues or motherboard errors. Multiple short beeps could indicate RAM or processor failure. Some BIOS types even have specific beep patterns for CMOS battery errors, like 9 short beeps. Once you have the pattern, look up the meaning in the manufacturer's beep code chart. This will tell you which hardware component is likely causing the issue. For instance, if the beep code indicates a RAM problem, you'll want to reset or replace your memory modules. If it points to the graphics card, check if it's properly seated or try swapping it out. A CMOS battery error might mean replacing the small coin cell battery on your motherboard. After decoding the beep pattern, you can perform targeted checks. Reset the RAM modules by removing and reinserting them carefully. Clean dust from inside your case and check all connections. If a graphics card is involved, reset or replace it. For power supply issues, test with a different unit if possible. Always power off and unplug your computer before working inside. Sometimes, your motherboard has additional diagnostic tools like LED debug lights or small digital displays that give more detailed error codes. These can help confirm what the beep codes indicate. Keep your motherboard manual or the manufacturer's website handy for quick reference. In troubleshooting hardware malfunctions, decoding BIOS error beeps is a simple yet powerful step. It helps you identify problems early, saving you time and money. Remember to handle hardware carefully, and if you're unsure about what to do, don't hesitate to seek professional help. By understanding these signals, you can keep your computer running smoothly and fix issues before they become bigger problems.